And that's how I became what I am now. What? Are you serious? Even though Dr. Astrozoology was the culprit? Yes. Oh, I wouldn't be brave enough to do that even if I had that much power. Well, at least uh, be able to handle it. Yeah, tell me about it. Yes, well, even so, let's look at the bright side. At least you did a lot of good. Yes. Yeah, tell me about it. Let's let's go and see if I love oven. Good idea. All right. What's going on? I was talking to that Jim Frankenstein and Don Nature about my life story. Uh, whatever that's all about. Yeah, that's the account of your life. Uh, that's what it is. Yeah, well, at least you're still alive. Yeah. Yeah, well, you're just gonna have to get used to James Dawn. He's one of those uh, big guns around here. Why, you little... Okay. Well, getting a bit too graphic, so at the risk of cutting this video short, we're gonna have to go through the sort of the difficulties here. See ya. See us.